In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Nano Banana plan. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in nanobanana.ai. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Nano Banana. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to buy the plans, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to find the options like image editor, showcase, toolbox, etc. Simply click on this option pricing that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the pricing interface. Right over here, you'll also be able to select the currency. Click on the field of currency. Now you'll be able to select the currency of your choice. After you do that, scroll down. Now over here, make sure subscriptions option is selected. You'll be able to find two options over here, monthly and yearly. Click on the option of your choice. For example, if you click on the option yearly, you'll be able to find the yearly plans over here. You'll be able to find the plans like basic, pro, max, etc. Also, you'll be able to see the pricing. You'll also be able to see the features over here. If you buy the basic plan, you'll be able to enjoy these features. Likewise, if you buy the pro plan, you'll be able to enjoy these features. So read all these features carefully. After you're done, what you have to do is simply click on this option, subscribe now, that you can see right below the plan that you would like to buy. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the checkout interface. In this interface, what you have to do is add your card. Click on the field of card information. Now what you have to do is enter the card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct number. Also enter the card expiration date. First of all, enter the month. Now enter the year. Likewise, enter the CVC. Now you'll also have to enter the name on card. After you do that, what you have to do is click on the proceed option that you can see on the screen. Now this card will be added to your account. Now with this card, you'll be able to pay for the plan. After the transaction is completed, you'll be subscribed to that particular plan and you'll be able to enjoy the features promised by that plan. So like this, you'll be able to buy the plan. So that is how you buy Nano Banana plan. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.